What's that? Another song? Really? Okay, we have time for one more song. But this one, you guys need to all stand up, so let's make some room. Now, in this song, we're not going to put words down because it's not that hard. All of us are going to pretend that our name is So, and we work in a button factory. Yeah, that's right. We're going to pretend that we make buttons. And we're going to we like to work. We like to do stuff. But sometimes we have to be careful that we don't do too much. So this is the way our song's going to go. We're going to say, hey, our name is So, my name is So, and I work in a button factory. And when I'm asked if I'm busy, I'm going to always say no. And then we're going to see what happens. Okay, guys? Are you ready? Let's go. Hey, my name is So, and I work in a button factory.
Are you busy, So?
I said, no.
Then push this button with your right hand.
Toop, 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 toop. That's right, keep pushing that button. Hey, my name is So, and I work in a button factory.
Are you busy, So?
I said, no.
Then push this button with your left hand.
Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Keep them going. Now we have 2 body parts. 1, 2. Hey, my name is So, and I work in a button factory.
Are you busy, So?
I said, no.
Then push this button with your right foot.
Okay. Uh-oh. Keep those arms and feet going. Now we have 3 body parts. 1, 2, and our foot is 3. Hey, my name is So, and I work in a button factory.
Are you busy, So?
I said, no.
Then push that button with your other foot.
Okay. So now we're pushing buttons with our hands and buttons with our feet, and we have to keep going. Ready? Hey, my name is So, and I work in a button factory.
Are you busy, So?
I said, no.
Then push this button with your head.
My head? Okay. Toot, 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 toot. Keep it all going. Hey, my name is So, and I work in a button factory.
Are you busy, So?
I said, yes, I'm busy. And that's the end of this story. Okay, boys and girls, now that song was just a little something to remind you that as much as the grown-ups want to do everything they possibly can, sometimes we have to be careful that we're not just asking too much. Like if you want mommy to play with you and she's trying to make dinner, or you're saying, Daddy, Daddy, come and play ball with me, and Daddy's trying to do something, just be a little patient, okay? And we'll all get along. And hopefully I will see you all again very soon because I miss you. Have a good day. Bye, guys.